Hey guys, Upcoming Vids here. Doing you guys a, I don't know if you guys remember the CM18 Model 1? Well, been a few upgrades. Not just sight and everything. But, I'm sorry about the dog. Not just the sight and this. Just keep this in mind, it's still running a 9.6 nickel metal hydrate battery. And same thing. You guys probably can't see it in there, but you see that? That's a black gearbox shell. Why? Why would he change that? Oh, I don't know. High-speed motor. SHS high-speed motor. This is the long type. And then I have my SHS piston head. I mean, not piston head, piston. And that was full metal teeth. Then, of course, to top it off, while you guys were wondering what that's a black gearbox shell in there, I have an Echo 1 gearbox shell in there now. Because, if you guys can see it, there is a crack there. You can still use it if you wanted to, but I mean, and then one of the bearings was screwed over, so they just took it out and threw it away. Yeah, it's a nice strong gearbox shell for stock gun. I'll give them that. The one thing that I do not like could be, even though it's radiused, it just cracked straight through. You can probably see it on the inside too. Yep, you see it? I noticed that one night when I was shooting with the high speed stock gearbox shell. So now I have an Echo 1 in there at about $40. SHS high speed running. I'm also running a 9.6. Remember this. $55. And then you can get an SHS PB MTL for, it's the 14 one from the side thing. High speed piston is the piston, and then I replaced the piston head too. Plus, the only problem I have with this gun right now, move the camera up for you guys. Only problem I have with this gun right now is that whenever you, I can't shoot the darn thing without having to get a special mag. My normal Elite Force high caps that I run in this work completely fine, decently fitting. I had to buy Valken mags. This is not a promotion or anything, but you buy Valken mags. I mean, it's okay. It's polymer, $18 a pop, but I had to buy. Can't use my Hex mag, can't use the original G&G mag, so I can sell those if you guys want one. Just message me in the comments. Yeah. So I'll do a shooting demo for you guys. Stronger gearbox in there. 8mm ball bearings. I mean, not ball bearings. Just shim too. So here's your rate of fire. See me? I'll take this suppressor thing off. Alright. And there's your review of my upgraded CM18. Mod 50 is what I'm going to call it. Yeah. Nice gun. What'd you pay? See you guys.